If you got a $3,000 tax refund this year, you actually overpaid the IRS by $250 every single month, and they kept your money with zero interest. If you got a surprise tax bill, you underpaid and may owe a penalty too. Here's how to check your withholding and fix your W-4 once and for all. The W-4 is the form you give your employer to tell them how much federal income tax to withhold from each paycheck. It's not a tax filing, it's an estimate. If your W-4 is outdated from years ago, or you have multiple jobs, or your life has changed, your withholding is likely off. The IRS estimates that 30% of workers have the wrong withholding every year. The fastest way to check, use the IRS Tax Withholding Estimator at irs.gov. It takes about 15 minutes and asks for your income, deductions, and other credits. It tells you whether you're on track, over withheld, or under withheld, and by how much. Run this every year after any life change, new job, raise, marriage, divorce, birth of a child, or starting a side business. The 2026 W-4 has 5 steps. Step 1 is your name and filing status. Step 2 is only completed if you have multiple jobs, check the box or use the IRS estimator. Step 3 lets you claim the child tax credit and dependents. Step 4A adds other income not from a job, like freelance or rental income. Step 4B adds deductions above the standard. Step 4C is where you enter an extra dollar amount to withhold per pay period if needed. The most common mistake, leaving Step 2 blank when you have 2 jobs. If both jobs don't coordinate withholding, each employer thinks the other brackets don't apply, and you end up under withheld. The fix is simple, check the box on Step 2 of the W-4 at the highest paying job, or use the IRS estimator and add extra withholding in Step 4C. Don't let this trigger a penalty. The safe harbor rule protects you from underpayment penalties. As long as you withhold at least 100% of last year's total tax liability, or 90% of this year's actual tax, you owe no penalty even if you have a balance due in April. If your prior year AGI was over $150,000, the safe harbor is 110% of last year's tax. Use this number to calibrate your withholding, not a guess. Life events that should trigger an immediate W-4 update: getting married or divorced, filing status changes. Having a child, $2,000 child tax credit. Starting a side business, add that income in Step 4A. Getting a significant raise. Taking on a second job. Or if you claimed too many allowances under the old pre-2020 W-4 system and never updated it to the current format. If you're self-employed or have significant non-wage income, you can't use a W-4, you need quarterly estimated tax payments using Form 1040-ES. Quarterly due dates in 2026, April 15th, June 16th, September 15th, and January 15th, 2027. Miss a quarter and the 8% underpayment rate applies to that period. Alternatively, if you have a day job, simply add extra withholding in Step 4C of your W-4 to cover side income. Getting your withholding right means no surprise tax bill and no giving the IRS a free loan. Run the IRS estimator at irs.gov right now, it takes 15 minutes and can save you hundreds. Subscribe for more 2026 tax strategies, and share this with a coworker before they file their next return.